Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we dive into the thrilling world of web development with 10Web, an AI-powered WordPress platform that redefines the website creation process. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, this remarkable tool empowers you to design and build fully functional, visually stunning websites with unprecedented efficiency. Stay tuned as we uncover how 10Web's suite of features caters to all skill levels and demonstrates why this platform is a game changer for web developers. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description to explore how 10Web can revolutionize your web design journey. Let's kick things off by introducing 10Web's revolutionary AI website builder. Seamlessly integrated with WordPress, this cutting-edge tool transforms the way websites are created by delivering professional-grade designs quickly and effortlessly. In this tutorial, we will explore its innovative features and showcase how it simplifies the website building process while delivering stunning results. Make sure to stick around until the end for valuable tips and insights that will help you unlock the full potential of this groundbreaking platform. To begin, let's talk about the pricing structure that makes 10Web accessible to everyone. The platform offers 3 plans: Personal, Premium, and Ultimate. What's even better is that you can try 10Web for free with no financial commitment up front. This free trial provides you with the perfect opportunity to experience 10Web's premium services and test its capabilities firsthand. Head to the video description for the trial link and take your first step towards an efficient web development experience. Once you've signed up, you gain immediate access to the AI Website Builder, a true game changer in website development. This tool leverages AI-generated content and images while offering highly customizable features through an Elementor-based editor. With 10Web, designing or replicating websites takes mere minutes, saving you time and effort. Whether you're building a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or a professional portfolio, this streamlined process ensures a faster and more accessible journey from concept to completion. Starting your journey with 10Web is remarkably simple and efficient. The platform guides you through the initial setup with ease. Just answer a few straightforward questions about your business or project. Based on your responses, the AI quickly generates unique content and images tailored to your niche. Whether you're creating a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, the process is intuitive and designed to save time. From there, the customization possibilities are endless. You can tweak every aspect of your website to reflect your brand identity, from updating designs and layouts to adding new pages or even cloning existing ones. For instance, if you're developing a photography website targeting an adult audience, you can use tools like ChatGPT to craft precise prompts. These prompts enable the AI to produce content and visuals perfectly aligned with your artistic vision, helping your website stand out and resonate with your audience. Once your website is live, 10Web unlocks a world of advanced tools and features to help your site grow and excel. Whether you need to create additional websites, migrate existing ones, or enhance site performance and speed, 10Web offers everything you need to stay ahead. The platform's drag-and-drop editor simplifies updates, allowing you to refine your website effortlessly. You can also explore its extensive library of premium templates and widgets to enhance your design and functionality. These tools ensure that your site not only looks stunning, but also delivers a superior user experience. Let's dive into some of the most impressive features that set 10Web apart as an indispensable website building and management platform. AI Website Builder. Quickly design, build, and launch custom websites with AI-generated layouts, saving hours of effort. Premium widgets. Access over 50 advanced widgets to incorporate complex features and functionalities seamlessly. Image optimization. Compress images by up to 40% while maintaining high quality, ensuring your site loads faster without sacrificing visuals. Mobile optimization. Guarantee a flawless look and performance across all mobile devices, boosting accessibility for users on the go. Page speed optimization. Achieve top-tier speed scores, 90+, ensuring your site loads almost instantly for a smooth user experience. Cloud hosting. Enjoy fast, reliable hosting powered by Google Cloud, providing unmatched performance and stability. Intuitive dashboard and seamless integration. 10Web's user-friendly dashboard serves as the command center for all your website needs. It allows you to manage optimizations, monitor site performance, and adjust settings with ease. Integration with popular tools such as Elementor, SEO plugins, AI assistants, and the 10Web Booster ensures that you have complete control over your website's functionality. Beyond website creation, 10Web excels in providing reliable hosting solutions. Each plan includes essential features like SSL certificates, PHP version management, caching, and domain services. To safeguard your site, 10Web offers advanced security measures, including bot protection, DDoS mitigation, and a web application firewall. These features ensure your website remains secure and operational around the clock. Whether you're an individual, a freelancer, or an agency, 10Web has a plan tailored to meet your needs. Premium Plan. Perfect for agencies managing multiple projects. At $15 per month, this plan supports up to 10 hosted websites, includes white labeling options, and provides VIP support for seamless operation. Empowering creativity and innovation. With 10Web, the complexities of website building and management are simplified, enabling you to focus on creativity and innovation. From generating engaging content and professional designs to optimizing performance and managing hosting, the platform streamlines every step of the process. Thank you for exploring 10Web. Check the video description for a link to a free trial and experience firsthand how easy it is to create stunning websites that captivate your audience. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creative professional, or a business owner, 10Web has the tools to help you succeed.